In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can assign Canva projects and templates to your students. And in a second video, I'm going to show you how your students can access them, work on them, and then submit them back to you. So you can see right here, I have a template ready to go that I pulled from their templates. I made a few changes to it, and the students will need to fill out each of the slides in this presentation, insert pictures, insert icons, whatever each slide is asking for. So how do I assign this to my students? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here up to the top hand right corner, and I'm going to click Teach. I should have said this in the beginning, but this is a Canva Pro account. As a teacher, we get Pro accounts, so this feature might not be available to you if you do not have the Pro version of it. So after I click on Teach, I'm going to select Assign to Students. There's different ways you can assign it. If you are Google Classroom District, you could assign it that way through Teams. I want my students to work on it and access it directly in Canva. So I'm going to click on this one, and then you can add any specific instructions you want your students to have for this activity here. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. And now you can see here is my class. Because we roster through Classlink, all of your classes that you teach will automatically be listed here for you to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my class, and then I'm going to uncheck this because I don't want to notify my students via email. They don't have email, so I just want them to access this through Canva. So then I'm going to go click, and I'm going to go ahead and click Assign, and I get some instructions over here, other ways to share it. But I'm going to have my students go right into Canva and access the template there. So in my next video, which will link in the description box, you're going to see how students can then access this, work on this, and submit it back to you.